Hi there, this is Shazim from Shazim Creations. Today I'm going to share with you the best way the beams of light in Photoshop. So let's get started. Select the rectangle marquee tool and select the area. Which area do you want to create the beams of light? Now select the gradient tool and select the black and transparent, this option, and select the color white, then click on the OK and drag and drop right to left to fill the gradient, and Ctrl or Command T for transform, and mouse right click and perspective. Then from blending mode select screen. Now go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur radius 6 or 7 or 10, no problem. Now press Ctrl or Command J for duplicate layer and hold press Ctrl T for transform and resize its center light. Now hold press Ctrl and select the two layer and hold press Ctrl G for group of these two layers and click on the layer mask. Now select brush tool and select foreground color is black. Now easily remove on the outside area for more realistic the lights, the more realistic of the beams of light. Now hold press Ctrl or Command J for duplicate layer for another side of the beams of light. You can decrease the opacity for more realistic the beams of light. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for stay with me. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much for always supported me. Please share this video and like, comment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for any updates. Thank you.